Okay, autofocus seems right. Video settings are okay for me. Now, let's start. Hey, I'm Michael. I live in Bavaria, Germany. I don't want to waste time talking too much about me. Instead, I want to show you some impressions about my everyday life here in Bavaria. You may think of a typical Bavarian lifestyle, but it is not. So I'm gonna run now. Weather is not so good. Okay, here I am. This is my starting point. As I told you, the weather is not so good, unfortunately, but I want to show you my favorite running track, and I need to run anyway. Look at that. That's the first lake I'm passing. So now I'm running over a little tiny bridge. Look, clock says it's 3 a.m. I have to hurry up a bit. I have to go to Munich airport. Yet another lake. Last meters to run. Okay, that's it. That was good. I think it was 2 weeks ago around the last time. One more information about me. I'm into using innovative video gear. This is the RYLO 360. Before I go to Munich airport, I want to show you something. I just have to go over the street. Okay. This is Lake Langbürgener. I've been here about 2 weeks ago when the lake was frozen. Wow, that's great. And I'm living here. I guess I was about here. Okay, time to go. Okay, Munich airport. And I have to say goodbye to someone. So she's a friend of mine.
Ha ha ha.
This is Hilde and she will go back to Madrid. So are you happy?
No, I'm not happy.
Okay.
I'm afraid.
So Hilde, goodbye. Have a good flight. Back to... It was nice. Yes, cannot speak anymore. Okay, goodbye, Hilde. So this was my first vlog ever. I hope you liked it. See you next time.